Hi everybody, this is KSRK SARMA from the Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, and as a part of the Capstone project, I'm going to show the project to you. So initially, the first thing is you will be going to log into the canvas. Then coming to the courses, I'm handling the MCS course, that is Mathematical Foundations for the Computer Science students in the semester. That is in the second year first semester. Now initially you will be going to see the first step is that say here I have given the introductory module about the MCS course, and the unit 1 for the unit 1 I have given the some one module for the unit 1, and I have enrolled my students. So, and here I am going to show the students. My students has been enrolled here, and I have enrolled my co-teachers also. So these are my two co-teachers have been enrolled. Then coming to the my subject, that is Mathematical Foundations of Computer Science, in the introductory model, then I will be having the first the COPO mappings. So total I have been having the so this is my COs. There are 5 COs for my subject. The course outcomes, then the COPO mappings, and the COPO map PSO mappings also there. Then coming to the prerequisites for the subject. So the students required some basic knowledge of the algebraic, arithmetic, and algebra things. So that is required for the subject. So this is the prerequisites of the subject, that is MFCS. Coming to the timetable of the MFCS, total we'll be having the online classes. So for each and every section we'll be having the three classes. So these are my timetable for the MFCS per week. So comes under the our contact lectures. So then the syllabus for the MFCS is, so it is there in the second year first semester. So there are total lecture hours 3, and there are 3 practicals and 0 grades also 3. So this is for the syllabus, and the textbooks for this one, the subject and the reference books, all these things. So and come to the lesson plan. This is the lesson plan. All the classes will be conducting on the online mode only. So this is the lesson plan for the subject. So like this is a plan. It's coming around 40 classes for the subject. And coming to the, some of the previous question papers. So these are the previous semester question papers conducted by the Jammu Technology in Hyderabad. The previous semester and examinations. So these also I kept for the students' reference. So what is the question paper model and how the questions are going to be asked from this subject. All these things we have kept like this for the students, reference to the students. Then coming to the some self-study materials, I have given some YouTube links for the students for their understanding and for their reading. So this will help them to read or to understand the topics which cannot be understood or beyond the syllabus also. They can read from the given from the study materials for the MFCS. So coming to the contact hours, total I will be having. I have planned for the contact hours. For the first unit will be having a 10, and the second unit will be having a 5 only. So third unit 9, then fourth unit 6, and fifth unit 10. Like that will be having a total 40 contact hours. This is the online mode we will be conducting for the students. So we will be having the 40 contact hours will be coming. So based on the academic calendar. Then coming to the meeting hours, we have planned to have at least one meeting hour through WhatsApp. So for the first unit, we'll be having the 4 weeks. We'll be conducting the class. For a unit, so we'll be having the 4 contact hours for the unit 1. Then for the second unit 2, 3, third unit 3, then fourth unit 2, and fifth unit 3. We have planned this one, and total 14 meeting hours will be coming for the entire syllabus. Then so moving to the one, I have created a one discussion forum for the students. So I have mentioned here regarding the course. If there are any doubts or discussions are required, we can discuss here, we can publish here. So like that, I have created a discussion forum for the students. So that is globally we have given for the course, this discussion forum for the course. So coming to the module, so now I have completed my second unit. I will be moving to the third unit. So I have given a pre-recorded pre-recording to the students. So that means that just like a flipped classroom, the students can listen to the class before coming to the class, before coming to the regular contact class, and they may come for us, they may have a little bit knowledge before coming to the classes. That's the reason I have given the things to the students. Before itself, I have regarded something for the students and what we are going to discuss in the next class. I have given to them. They are going to get these things. So that is a recorded lectures. And coming to the next one, already what we have conducted, those things also we have taken. This is a live class. So regular classes what we will be conducting, those things also have shown here. And these are the regular classes what we will be conducting, and we will be implementing them by using the in the PPTs, how we can able to write, and all those things are shown here. So like this we will be showing. Coming to the pre-recording materials, so I have given the material to the students in the PPT form, so they can read it and they can understand after the completion of the after the completion of the class. Yeah. After the completion of the first unit, I have given the study material for the students, so they can easily what we have done in the class, they can remember and they can recall and they can read what they say. So then, yeah, I have connected one piece for the students. So after the completion of the unit 1, so coming to this one, and this will be the preview of the class. So for the 5 points, I have connected a class. So this is connected for the students, and after that one, so I have connected one assignment also for the 10 marks. So this is the thing, and then I have created one discussion forum for the unit 1 also. So the students, if they have any doubts in the unit 1, they can discuss here. So then, yeah, some important questions I have given to them, so they can see how the questions will be coming from the unit 1 and all those things. And later, I have given once again I have given the total unit as a single PPT, so they can have the glance on the unit 1 and they can read it for their reading. So like this I have done. And coming to the grades, so I have given the grades for the quizzes and the assignments. The students, most of the students have been got the grades and the things. So, and we have mentioned one, I have given one discussion forum for the students also, so they can read it and they can understand what are the things. So coming to the reflections, so before going to the online teaching classes, so it became very difficult to maintain how to conduct the online class, and how to engage the students also became very difficult. But I am very much thankful to the organizers and the college, so they given me this opportunity to attend the online classes and take the and understand the various technologies and implement these things in the regular classes. Thank you very much.